Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Nitmanas. So friends, we just continue our series e-commerce in English. So in this video we'll do the user profile section. So friends, if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel, and if you want to support us and help us, you can also go to this link and check out this link. And one link is also provided in the description box. You can go and check out that link also. So we just move on to the dashboard. This is the admin dashboard, and we are on the user profile section. So in today video we just add an image option here and update this form as well. So moving toward the code, just opening resources, views, admin, and profile.blade.php. I already start the server php artisan serve, and here we have full name, email, phone, address, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Before these links I also add one more thing. Control C, after address Control V. Image input type should be file. Value, we don't need any kind of value here. Input type should be file, and name should be image. Okay, one more thing, I think I haven't adding the name attribute over here. So name should be name. Control C. Email, phone, address, image, paste, paste. Okay, Twitter underscore link, Facebook underscore link, and Insta underscore link. Okay, we'll change the things now. We'll do one more thing, that on changing this image we also like, give me a second, save it, refresh it. Okay, on changing this image, while I am changing this image, it should be reflected on this panel as well. Like while I'm changing the there should be live preview of the image over here. So one more thing, that I will also do this dynamically and remove these contents. So I have auth username over here, Control C, and full stack developer name is over here, this, Control V, and just comment these things. Yes, so now this is the image that is showing over there, and we'll just update the live preview of the image. So if you go to the website and the search on it, image, okay, preview an image before uploading using jQuery. We will use this one. And what we have to do now, like this is the script part, this document.ready photo function change. Just copy this script and paste it in the components footer section, because we will use same script tag over another pages as well. So we'll just paste this in the footer, as footer is over common in all the blade files, all the view files as well. So after that, okay, now the where we have to show the image, it should be the ID should be image preview, and the file input type file should be ID is equal to photo. ID is equal to image preview and ID is equal to photo, where type is equal to file. Okay, so just copy that, and where we have to show the preview of the image, just add this ID is equal to image preview, and I will also update this later on when I will save that image into the database, where input type is equal to file. Here we'll use id is equal to photo. Let me check. Id is equal to type, where type is equal to file is equal to photo, and on the other hand id is equal to img preview. Okay, just check it once time. Select a file. Okay, see this. So it is show me the live preview of that image. If I am changing that image again and again, let me select another image that should be different, like this, right? So it is actually changing that image. So now moving towards the save changes part. If we look at our footer section, we have our already make a script over there that if we have the id form submit on submit, it is submitting the form where we have the url dynamically. Dynamically we have the url, and we have means we have a universal function over there. So I'll just copy this form submit, and okay, I'll create a form tag form. What we need, id is equal to form submit action, sorry, action, our url, admin slash save profile data, and enc type multipart form data as we have the image. And after that in laravel we should use csrf token. After this a form tag should be closed. Input type button should be changed to input type submit. Save it. Now we have to make a route of this save profile data. Copy this routes admin.php and comment this save profile data. Now do we have controller, profile controller, profile controller. We have profile controller over there. Okay, public function. Now we'll use the store function. Just check this, print underscore r dollar request all. Save this. Class function name should be store. Save this. Okay, now go to inspect, reload once, pull it up little bit, clear it all, select an image. Yes, it is live preview. Submit. Okay, 405. Symfony exceptional method not allowed. Post method, basically we are using both method, and this is get method, so replace it with the post. Again click on save changes. Now okay, go to undefined. So we have the data over in our controller. So it's a quick video. Now in next video we'll just save the data, and we just make one more thing, that showing that snack bar over there, just to show the pop-ups notification. Whenever we have any notification, we'll just store with the snack bar over here. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe our channel, and if you want to support us, the link is in the description box, and also you can go to the support us this. Okay, so if you are outside India, click for international payment or scan this code. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.